Carmelo,
And my name is Lee.
and this video is produced by Collegium Charter School in collaboration with Ademia. And what's so cool about manufacturing?
Ademia is a manufacturing company located in Exton, PA. Ademia is a global leader in augmented identity. Ademia manufactures cars used by many major banking and credit companies. They produce millions of different cars every year.
The process of manufacturing cars is like this. First, they have to be modeled. Workers like Hisham create designs which later become real. Next, cards are printed, laminated and then cut out. They have to be milled to size and shape and then are checked frequently to make sure they are acceptable. At this time, they can be embedded with the chips that are on modern cards. Finally, they are packaged and shipped to the company. All the while, Idemia is thinking up ways to create better, safer products and about efficiency of manufacturing. Idemia has two initiatives right now. One is reducing their environmental footprint. The other is with community outreach such as volunteering with Habitat for Humanity.
Ademia is a global company, not one just based in Exton, PA. They have locations all over the world.
Thank you for watching our video, and thank you Ademia for working with us.